welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Today's video is one that you guys are probably here to either replace your wheel cylinder just because it went out, or like in the case of my rusty Jeep here, everything went to rust in the back, the brake line broke, bleeder valve broke, and all that. So you guys can see here on my original one, bleeder valve broke there, and then when I was pulling the brake line off to replace it, that was so rusted it broke the line. So really, mine was fine, but those braking caused it to fail. So replacing yours right here. So this is a very simple job to do. I went to Advanced Auto. These were 14 bucks. Here is the part number for it. I do not even know the brand on it, but 14 bucks, Advanced Auto Parts. So when you guys are actually removing this, very simple job to do. The brake line itself is a 3/8 inch brake line. So all you gotta do is have a 3/8 inch wrench for that to back that line out. And then these two bolts that bolt right here, which if you guys can see on the backside, kinda, those are 3/8 inch as well. So basically you just pull those guys out, and this guy is free. So when you guys are going to the process of taking it out, what you want to do is take your wheel off, take the outer portion of your drum off, and then once you're in here, you don't need to disassemble the whole entire brake setup. All you got to do is take the two top springs off, so pull this one off to the side, this one off, and then the little retaining cable back here, this guy right here. So just let all that stuff kind of hang freely. Just lightly press these two apart. This spring right here on the crossbar down here, it might pop off. That's just a little spreader down there, but that'll just all slide back in. So really you're not taking apart the whole entire drum assembly. You're just giving a little bit of room to pull that guy out. So once you pull it out, as you guys see, just slip it right back in, tighten up those bolts. I use a little bit of Loctite, and that's it. So if you guys are looking to get this done, very simple job, just takes a little bit of getting to get it completed. So hope this helps someone out there. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.